Hey there, future real estate tycoons. Welcome back to Real Estate Investing Simplified. I'm your host, the Real Estate Sensei, and today we're delving into a strategy that's like the slow and steady tortoise of real estate, rent and hold. Before we unravel this methodical approach, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Together, we're simplifying real estate. All right, my eager learners, let's talk about the rent and hold strategy. Imagine it as the ultimate real estate sidekick. Your properties are doing all the hard work while you enjoy the financial rewards. Step 1. Scout the gems. Look for properties in locations that promise steady rental demand and potential appreciation over time. Step 2. Crunch the numbers. Calculate all costs, from the purchase price and mortgage to maintenance and property management fees. Step 3. Find the dream team. Partner with a property management company to handle the day-to-day tasks while you sip your favorite beverage. Step 4. Collect the rent. Your properties become income-generating machines, providing you with a steady stream of monthly cash flow. Step 5. Embrace the long game. Watch as your properties appreciate in value over the years, building your wealth without breaking a sweat. Now here's the twist. The Real Estate Sensei's true identity remains shrouded in mystery. Why? Well, my curious comrades, revealing our true selves could raise a few eyebrows among industry leaders. Let's just say we're keeping a vault of insider insights locked up. Call it our ninja wisdom. And here's the scoop. This video is the third gem in our series on real estate strategies. From wholesaling to fix and flip, and now rent and hold, we're turning you into a real estate maestro, one step at a time. Your voice matters. What investment strategy has you intrigued? Wholesaling, fix and flip, rentals, or something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Your idea could shine in our next video. Thanks for joining Real Estate Investing Simplified. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for our upcoming video where we'll unveil yet another potent real estate strategy. Until then, remember, with rentals, you're not just investing, you're building your legacy. This is the Real Estate Sensei, signing off.